Hey guys, how are you doing? Wanted to show you guys what what a chicken move looks like. Moving them from the little paddock that they've been in to where they're going to their fresh salad bar. So it's evening time, and they are there. That's where they have been for a couple days, and here I'm standing and where they're going. So notice the difference in greenery. So this is all their fresh food that they get to come into, and that's what it'll look like in a couple days. So I'm going to go ahead and move them so you guys can see them, how excited they get to come into their new place. I'll just move this guy out of the way here for them. And in they run. Quite excited, I might add. Come on in. Look at them go. So this is great for them. This is kind of an undisturbed area. They get to come in. It's got all this nice green grass in here for them to eat, and new spiders and worms and crickets and the likes for them to grub on as well. So that's where they were. Pretty amazing, huh? So anyway, that's just a little glimpse of what happens to bring you guys yummy eggs. So anyway, all the best. Signing off. See you later.